Hello and welcome to the Android Daily Report. Today's episode is going to be going over software that helps breathe new life into older devices like the Samsung Galaxy Tab here. This is the first generation. It's running ADW EX as a dashboard replacement. You can see the transitions that it can stick in. Of them, I have it set up to look like ice cream sandwich. You can display the search bar, voice search, menu, drawer icons. You can scroll between different docks. And if you press the home button while you're on it, it'll give you all of them there. You can edit the screens by doing this and sliding between. You can rearrange them, you can add more, you can remove them, you can set which one's the home screen that it goes to when you press the home button. In this particular case, it's that one. In the app drawer, you can set up different groups and scroll between them. You can swipe between them. You can manage what apps will show up in the groups. Like in this case, this is displaying all the apps that I want to have displayed as installed, but I filtered out the bloatware that I would rather just delete if I could. And you can control what ones show up. The notification drawer is unchanged. It's one thing that I guess they can't really affect. There are tons and tons of settings for this. You can get into them from here. You can configure things from the screen, like what style you want to use, the action bar design. You can literally change it. You can change how many columns or rows are in portrait and landscape. You can change the app drawer. You can change icons just in general. You can create the style of folders, the app dock, set up what gestures, and then you can do some advanced settings like locking the home orientation, setting up a double tap, disabling the status bar, overlapping widgets while resizing, lots of things. And then once you're done, you can save it, back it up, or lock it. In this particular case, I'm running 1.3.3.8. It's definitely worth it, in my opinion, to buy the EX version. It has a little bit more features that you can set up, plus you're supporting the wonderful people that developed this piece of software. You know, I believe that they're worthy of a meal or two. If you believe so too, you can buy their app. The second piece of software I'm going to go over is Widget Locker, which uses a version of ADW for putting the pieces on the screen, but they provide other things like you can edit, and once you go into there, they got their own interface. You can pick what type of locks you would like to use. There's the Sense Droid. Let's see if I can get some better views. They got the Jelly Bean one, that's new. And you can set up the different lock positions. In this case, there's that many different actions that you can trigger from the one lock bar. The iPhone one is limited to 2, but I only use the one, set it to unlock. But once you slide it, you can pick the action. You can do anything from all that to launching applications. Wow. And it's horribly, horribly slow. You can see it thinking right there with the little spinner going on. And you could stick this in and literally trigger it from the lock screen. You can even change the icon based on built-in icons, or if you have a graphic that you would like to use and it's not listed in there, you can use it from the gallery and pick icons from there. Like, for instance, one of these. And once you're done, you just hit the done button, and it's just the way you want it. You can use the widgets from here, and they work just like the widgets do on the home screen. You can put other widgets in, edit them, resize them. You can even add applications and shortcuts onto there so that you don't have to do the sliding to do it, and you can just execute it. You can block clicks if you like, but for certain things like this particular one, it would be kind of useless if you block the clicks. But let's say it's an informational widget that's displaying information, but if you click it, it goes into the app. But you have a lock screen, you want to put the information on it, but you don't want to have to accidentally click it and go into it. You can disable the button click. And that is Widget Locker. Tune in tomorrow, and I will go over some automation programs like Crestron Mobile, TP Control. Let me see if I can real quickly bring that icon up. VSX Remote, Xbox Media Center Remote, and others. Alright, you guys have a great day now. Bye.